You guys, I am here giving you a post pre-workout review, and I gotta tell you, it's the best one I've ever tried to give you energy and a pre-workout push without the jitters. That's what's making me so excited. They call it jitter juice. It's not making me jittery. If anything, it's making me feel more whole. I'm a whole person, but it's making me feel like I can push myself and get the momentum going, but not in a jittery way. Like I can hold my hand and not have the jitters, which feels really great because you don't want to feel that way. The first time I took it, was it yesterday? I did feel a tad bit of the tingling sensation, but it wasn't making me feel itchy. And that was only when I realized I had an extra cup of coffee after I took it, which it already has like at least 200 milligrams of caffeine in it. So you don't need to take any more caffeine after that. So that's what prompted just that tingling sensation. I think I felt it like on the back of my neck and head, and like maybe a little bit on my hands, my fingers, which is where I tend to feel, and like on my face, like my ears, I'll feel it like on the front or the back of my head and my fingers, and it's weird. Anyone else who's tried pre-workout and you felt like tingly or itchy, I don't know where you normally feel it, that's where I usually do. And the flavor again is the best I've ever had. The Blue Razz. Typically I like anything with blue. It's like blue raspberry is the flavor. I've never gotten into a post-workout as much because I could just like make a protein shake or, you know, eat more protein in a smaller meal. I have been eating a lot of like holiday food and gaining more weight this season than I ever have before in a really long time. I weighed myself today and I was pretty surprised, and I've enjoyed feeling more voluptuous and like feminine and all of that. It's when it hits on the midsection a bit more than what you're expecting. Like today I had 2 breakfasts. So it's something to think about and cut back on, and this pre-workout is really helping just give that extra push to go, okay, I'm ready to do some strength training now. I'm ready to do more than just walk, which is what I need to get to that next point. So you guys try it. Let me know what you think. Bucked Up, Blue Razz, pre-workout. I love it. I would recommend it. Peace.